Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to get the BMW M5 in Need for Speed Unbound. To begin, you'll need to focus on specific in-game challenges. These challenges are the key to unlocking this powerful car for purchase. I'll guide you through the exact steps, ensuring you understand which events to prioritize and how to complete them efficiently. Getting this car is straightforward once you know the method. For those playing in single-player mode, unlocking the BMW M5 is tied to your story progression. You simply need to advance through the main campaign until you successfully beat Qualifier 2. Once you achieve this milestone, the M5 will automatically become available for you to purchase from the in-game dealership. It's a straightforward process that rewards your dedication to the story. If you're looking to get the BMW M5 in Lakeshore Online, the process is a bit different. You'll need to participate in multiplayer playlists and specifically complete 15 tier playlists. Crucially, you must use any BMW vehicle during these playlists for your progress to count. Focus on winning or performing well to make the most of your time in these events. Once you've successfully met the unlock conditions, either in single-player or Lakeshore Online, the BMW M5 will be available. Head over to the in-game dealership, which you can access from your garage or the main menu. You'll find the M5 listed there, ready for you to buy with your earned in-game cash. Congratulations! You've now added one of the most iconic cars to your Need for Speed Unbound collection.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.